everybody. Today is going to be a few days in my life on work week type of vlog. I figured I really want to do more of these on my channel, so I think like every 2 weeks or so on a Sunday you guys will have vlogs. You guys haven't been noticing I've been posting more vlogs. Today is Monday, February 1st. And yeah, you'll be getting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then maybe like a couple weeks I'll do like the end of the week. I'll like switch it off for you guys so you guys can see like what days I do things. So today I don't really have such a busy work week that I know so far, which is pretty good for me. I like having like chill weeks every now and then. So in this book I have some things that I want to do myself today. So we're filming already, so that's good. I want to do Just Dance. If you guys don't know, I've been doing Just Dance as my workout cardio. I do like 15-20 minutes twice a week just to get some cardio in, and that is my exercise that I do. And then I want to try and edit my Sunday reset video, which you guys have now already seen. Yeah, you guys definitely already seen that. So like 1:53, I already started the work day. I'm wearing my really fuzzy jacket that I got on Amazon, that my friend got me. So yeah, because here in New York it is a snowy Monday. We are in a northeasterner right now, so really snowy out, and your girl is not going outside, of course. So I'm gonna be stuck in here, which I don't mind at all. I'm gonna go get back to work. I have a few things to do right now, so I'm gonna get back to work and then have some lunch in a little bit. About like an hour or so. Yeah, so I'll see you guys then. So hey guys, so I think I'm actually just gonna end like today's part in the vlog. I know it's like this part was a little bit shorter than normally, but I just honestly I don't really have much to vlog today. Besides, we had a really snowy, wintry weather here in New York, and it's gonna be continuing tomorrow. But thank God I am working from home because I heard that the trains shut down at a point. So I'm like, oh, thank God we don't have to commute, because that wouldn't have been fun. I do not like to commute in the snow. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday, which is basically tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, bye. Hello everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome to the second day of the vlog, of course, continuation. So today is Tuesday. Yeah, continuing the work week in my life. I already did some work. It's now 1:38 p.m. I have my blue light glasses on, of course, because they really do help like my headaches. I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys, but back like when I was in the office in the city, I would get so bad headaches. I'm not sure if it was staring at the screen so long or like the hours with my brain trying to function. I don't know what it was, but my headaches used to be so bad. I think it might have been my brain not being used to staring at a screen, even though I was like in college and I did have like, I was a virtual assistant, so I was always looking at a screen. I'm always on my phone too. So I don't know, but blue light glasses. But what I'm basically saying, blue light glasses are definitely a recommendation. These are actually prescription ones that I mentioned before. So yeah, I just want to say hello to you guys. Today's plan, honestly, I don't really know. I do have some work to do. I already did a little bit of work. Probably gonna go eat something soon, because I'm starting to get hungry. I think I might make some pizza. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking of, like a slice of pizza might sound good. And then I do want to clean the bathroom. I think today is tub day, because beginning of the month I want to try and clean the tub every beginning of the month. Like, that's all I have to say. Or I keep looking at my computer. I'm gonna head back to work. I'll catch up with you guys later. I just want to like give you a rundown of what's going on today, and see you guys in a little bit. So hey guys, so it's now 3 o'clock. As you guys just saw, I put clothes away. I just realized I had another sweatshirt right here that I have to put away. But yeah, I just had some lunch. I had some pizza like I said I would, but I just wasn't feeling like vlogging it. You know, I feel like I don't always have to vlog every little thing. So I'm wearing my big comfy jacket because it's cold and this is really warm. Yeah, so that is all. I'm gonna head back to work. I just put my clothes away. I think I might clean. Maybe I might clean right now and then we will do some more work. I've been checking my email, so yeah, I want to get cleaning over it with the plan. We'll edit. I really need to get to editing one of these days. I just haven't been motivated enough to edit. Like, I want to edit, but I just like keep pushing it off. I don't know why. I just keep doing that. And it's just like a vlog, so it's not really that crazy to edit. I already did most of the rough cut already on that vlog. So I just need to finish it and make thumbnail and all that. Yes, bathroom cleaning day on the tub, because you gotta do that. Like at least once a month you gotta do that. That is my goal. Once a month I do the tub shower thing, and like hard to do sometimes because like I have to bend down. It's like annoying, but eventually we're gonna get one of those things that I can take it off. So yeah, I'm gonna go and yeah, see you guys in a bit. Okay. So update time, it is now 4 o'clock. I did some work already. And yeah, so right now I'm actually in the kitchen, as you guys can tell. Welcome to the kitchen. I am baking some cookies. I have the Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies. There are 12 big cookies. I figured I'd bake them now. Great day to bake cookies. That's what I decided. So I'll eat them a little later, but I have some downtime. Work is kind of chill today, so that's good. So yeah, I want to show you guys the snow. The snow right now is crazy. Here's some snow, guys. And if you guys want to see how big it is, like almost close to my knees. Almost there. So yeah. Snow, we got a lot of snow. Guys, so I'm just actually gonna end the vlog here. I know this vlog is kind of like shorter than normally for my vlog, but honestly, I really didn't have much to vlog for you guys this week, but I figured I'd still vlog for you guys and show you guys what weeks are like if I don't vlog as much, just so you guys get the idea of my life. Sometimes still have like another hour or so of work, but I just figured I'd end the vlog and say goodnight. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, of course, if you liked it and you want to see more work weeks in my life. Definitely subscribe for that, because I definitely will be doing a lot more in the future. Sorry, I'm like kind of cold right now, but yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.